Good morning, Michael A. Caustic. Happy Friday. Today is October 14th, and this is Ms. Fletcher. Announcements for today. We have a thriller practice for P22 and P23 at first recess. Thank you to Mrs. Cooney for organizing this and leading this awesome activity. There is a final track practice at 11:30 today. Be sure to attend for final information on the race tomorrow. Saturday at Horlock Park. We have 38 students participating, and we wish the athletes all the best as they race and represent our school. Go Mac! And a huge thank you as well to the teachers organizing this event. Racers, participants, make sure you say thank you to them. And if you're not attending on Saturday, you're still welcome to run at the practice and encourage the team, but it's not required. Today is grade 2 and 3 in the big park. Happy birthday to Grace in room 7, Clarabelle in room 8, and over the weekend, happy birthday to Clarissa in room 1 and Maverick in room 3A. So, today I have a riddle for you. I'm tall when I'm young, I'm short when I'm old, and every Halloween I stand up in a pumpkin. What am I? I'm not going to tell you. Just kidding. A candle. All right, have a safe, fun weekend, friends. Take care.